everyone, I am Naneshwari Chidravar. Welcome to my channel Everytime Maths. In this video, we are covering simple topic HCF, means highest common factor. Let's understand this concept with an example. Say there is a big hall of dimensions 30 feet by 42 feet and flooring job is going on for this hall. Condition here is that only square shaped tiles should be used for this flooring job. Then we need to find what is the maximum dimension of square tiles used. Okay. To understand this example, I am taking any random square tile 10 feet by 10 feet. Now let's check is this suitable for the flooring job or not. For this side 30 feet, 10 feet by 10 feet tile, 10, 20, 30. So this tile will go for 30 feet side. Now let's check is this suitable for the another side 42 feet. 10, 20, 30, 40. So 2 feet space is left here. 10 feet by 10 feet tile is not suitable for 42 feet side. Why is so? Because 10 is a factor of 30 but it is not a factor of 42. Now let's check what are the tiles suitable for 30 feet and 42 feet side individually. That means we need to find factors of 30. So factors of 30 is 1, 2, 3, 4 is not a factor, 5 is another factor, 6. If you observe here, 5 into 6 is 30. So this is one pair. So to find next factor, I can directly find like this, 3 into 10 is 30. In between numbers, between 6 to 10, like 7, 8, 9, they are not the factors of 30. Okay. Now, next factor will be 2 into 15. Next factor will be 1 into 30. So, 30 is the factor of 30 itself. Now, these are the factors of 30. That means, these dimensions of square tiles are suitable for this side. Now let's check what tiles are suitable for this side. Means we are finding the factors of 42. 42's factors are 1, 2, 3, 4 is not a factor, 5 is not, 6, 7. If you observe 6 into 7 is 42. So this is one pair. So next factor will be 3 into 14. In between numbers are not the factors of 42. Now, next factor will be 2 into 21. Next will be 1 into 42. So, these dimensions of tiles will go for this side and these dimensions of tiles will go for this side. Now, let's see what are the common tiles. Means we are gonna find common factors. Common factors are, see, if you observe here 1, 1. 1 is a common factor. Second common factor is 2. Next common factor is 3. Next is 6. And the next common factor, that's it. Only 4 are the common factors. Now, these 4 dimensions of tiles are suitable for both the sides, right? But what we need to find? Maximum dimension of square tiles used here. Maximum dimension, we should go with 6 feet by 6 feet, right? That means out of these common factors, highest common factor is 6. This is our answer. 6 feet by 6 feet tile is suitable for the flooring job of this. recap HCF concept. To find HCF of two numbers, we first found the factors of first number, then factors of second number, then we have seen common factors, then we found highest common factor. That's the HCF of two numbers. We just found HCF of 30 and 42. If the numbers are small, then you can find factors easily. What if the numbers are big, 3-digit number and 4-digit number? Then HCF finding factors of this number and this number is difficult. So for such big numbers, we should use Euclid-Lemma method to find HCF of two big numbers. That we are going to see in next video. Thank you students. Hope you like this video and understood the concept.